Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a freeCodeCamp tutorial on CSS applied visual design. And we're going to learn about absolute positioning. So positioning is kind of a tricky topic from my experience when I was in coding bootcamp and talking to other students about it. But position absolute. Absolute it locks. So relative is that it offsets its current position. Now, absolute positioning is that it offsets the parent's which locks the element in place relative to its parent's container. Unlike the relative position, this removes the element from the normal flow of the document, so surrounding items ignore it. The CSS offset properties are used to adjust the position. And one important but kind of nuanced aspect of positioning is that it will lock relative to its closest position ancestor. So if you forget to add a position rule to the parent item, this is typically done using position relative. The browser will lock up the change and ultimately have it relative to the body tag. So let's do an example to help make this more sense. Lock the search bar element to the top right of its section parent by declaring its position as absolute. Give it top and right offsets of 50 pixels each. So we have this search bar that we want to change, and we can see it here. And we can see that the parent of this is section. And here's the nuance that it was talking about, that it has a position relative. So it's going to be offset according to this section. So to do this, we just do position absolute. And now we do push top 50 pixels and then right 50 pixels. Now we can see is relative absolute offset. It's offset compared to this. But if we ignore this, let's comment this out. We see here it goes absolute up here from, it goes down and then left 50 pixels from the body. And that's it. Thank you.